There he comes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's flapping his wings.
We'll make our way that way.
We always thought about everything we have, Adam. I got my commando slate call, diaphragm. Donnie over here's got a box call out. These Easterns, you don't want to overcall to them anyway, but about every 15 minutes we'll throw something different at them. This is the second day of bad weather we've had. I think we're just dealing with some shut-mouthed turkeys. There's a thing down here that, seeing them is a chore on its own, so we're trying to hear them first, locate them. But they're not doing much talking. Greg, however, one of the commandos and one of our field staff members, he's been down in Florida, and from what I understand, they're having a little bit better luck on some Osceola birds. So y'all go check in with him. He's down there with Mr. Ratso at Florida Backwoods. I think they've got a little something you may not have seen before. You may have seen it. I've never seen it. But they got a special technique of getting up on those birds. Y'all go check it out. And hopefully we'll get one of these big eastern gobblers to give us a little bit of talking to. We'll catch back up with y'all here later.
Thanks, Cody. We're down here in Central Florida, just outside of St. Cloud, and we're here at Florida Backwoods Adventures with Steve Ratso Pennington down at his turkey hunting camp right now. It's got live oaks, we got Spanish moss hanging off of it. It's beautiful, beautiful. And tell me, Steve, we're getting ready to go turkey hunting in the morning, and what's it like down here? Is it harder to hunt Florida turkeys, or are they different, than our Easterns, or what?
Well, Greg, let me tell you, I really believe a turkey is a turkey. I don't think there are any turkeys are any harder or smarter than any other turkey. I think the Osceola, I probably get that asked by more clients than anything. That's probably the first thing they ask is, are they more difficult to kill? They are difficult to kill just because of the terrain. You're in Central Florida, just in the Kissimmee River Valley, north of Lake Okeechobee. And it's a lot of cattle country here, so it's wide open pastures. There's oak hammocks like you see here and cabbage hammocks and so forth, but it's more the terrain than it is the turkey. I don't believe the turkey's any smarter. But what we do have here in Central Florida is you have an age structure. I believe that you get a better age structure because of the wide openness. The predators don't get a chance to get the birds and so on and so forth. So you get a lot of nice spur length, you get a lot of nice beard length on the birds. But an Osceola is no different than any other turkey.
Well, we're gonna get ready to do some eating here. Steve's dad's getting ready to cook supper for us, and we're gonna get to bed early tonight and hit it early in the morning, and hopefully this time tomorrow we'll have a bird or two down.
You ready? Whenever you're ready. As soon as he puts his head out there, you whack him.
We bumped him out of a pond.
It's okay. Yeah, we'll get him. Yeah, you got good pass through on him. Good. Where's yours? I heard you got a good one. Well, let's go look at him. Got a vise over there. We need to straighten your gun barrel, evidently.
I said great googly googly.
They're just milling around, and with this light wind and this rain, they're not doing a lot of traveling. That's why I say, I told you this morning it might be a little bit. That one old hen, she was mad, wasn't she? She was trying to pick her a fight. That was funny.
Here we were getting ready to get out of the blind. And all of a sudden Steve goes, there's a bird, there's a bird. My gun was unloaded.
I didn't know what.
I was able,
bird. What's he talking about, bird?
I was able to get 2 shells in real quiet, but it turned out to be just a hen. She just walked around in front of us and left. She doesn't seem to be pulling a gobbler in with her, but I guess she was just heading off to the nest or something. Whew. That had my heart going.
It's exciting, isn't it? Exciting. You ready to call it? Let's go get some lunch. We'll get a bite to eat, and then we'll come back out, rest up. The birds will be here. We'll get one tonight.
Let's do it.
Okay. Picture yours. I got a vice over there. We need to straighten your gun barrel out.
I said great googly boogly when I see these birds come running at me.
Is that what it is? So how many did you miss?
I ain't missed, well, I probably missed about 7 of them, but we only shot at one.
Oh, okay. Where's yours? I heard you got a good one.
Laying over.
Well, let's go look at him.
Oh my gosh, look at those spurs.
Isn't that nice? Nice bird.
Man.
Yeah, he's got 1.5 inches, probably 1 3/8. Nice, good, heavy beard. Yeah, nice bird. Come in by himself, or did he come in
With
another gobbler with him? Yeah. Bob, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Well, that's the important.
You bet. That's what it's all about right there.
We bumped him out of a pond.
That's just as bad of a.
And then he went down there and we found him along the interstate, but he went back in there, so that's where he's at.
That's okay. Yeah, we'll get him.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, you got good pass through on him. Good.
15 yards.
Good.
Oh yeah, baby.
He was on the roost. Saw him? Oh, he was, if we were sitting here, he was right there.
Oh my gosh.
And he pitched down. We knew there was a turkey there. We weren't sure what it was in the dark. And he started moving around and you could see him strutting on the limb.
Yep.
And so we knew that was him. Then another bird pitched down. He was on the other side of that. Another bird pitched down over here and I could hear him gobbling on the ground. The bird on the other side of the pond gobbled probably 8 times before he hit the ground. There was an eagle flying through, squawking. Every time he squawked, that gobbler would fire off. Really? I mean, he must have fired off 6 times in a row.
How far shot you think?
Oh, maybe 17 yards.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I got hit.
He takes off with it. If you feel him taking off with it, just pull up on your rod tip. Let him have it. And maybe that bait trying to get out of there too.
Well, yeah, it was a good tap, but.
This is 20-pound Power Pro with a 60-pound monofilament leader.
Look at the size of that thing.
It's probably only about 8 or 9 pounds.
Wow.
These gill plates I was telling you about. If you look right here, you see these spikes sticking out. They're like hypodermic needles. They're really sharp. And then this is a serrated edge, like a knife blade right here, all the way up the side. He's got another set of cutters behind his fin here. He's got another one up here on top of his head. And even his nose has got a serrated edge on it.
Oh, wow.
Eyes are nice and green. And after dark, his eyes will turn blood red.
I'll be darned.
Back in they go.
Yep. There he is. Get him. Set the hook. Stay where you're at. Don't go to him. There you go. You got the pole. Remember when you asked me if you'd know when you got a hit?
Yeah.
Kind of knew, didn't you?
Yeah. Now we're fishing for barramundi fish down here with Byron. We're south of St. Cloud.
Good fish.
And I just caught one. And these
I think
things,
he caught you.
Yeah, I believe so. And these things are big old fish.
Hey, we have the only place in the northern hemisphere of the world where you can catch a barramundi. It's an Australian snook, version of our snook. They get up to 130 pounds. These fish are babies, really. They're only about, the fish he has on probably around 12 pounds, 15 pounds. And they're only about 3.5 to 4 years old. So they're relatively young still. We have a lot of time to grow them. We have, we do the Bear Monday fishing trips. We also do some gator hunts and some other things like waterfowl hunting, duck hunting here in Florida and in Arkansas. But this is by far one of the biggest draws we have is Bear Monday because there's no other place you can do it here in the United States. So. We'll grab my boat here. He's only 11 pounds.
11 pounds.
Oh my gosh, what a fish.
That's your first one ever, eh?
Hell, you bet.
Right here in North America.
Whoa! Ah! Oh my gosh!
There he is. Got two on.
Is that yours? No, yeah, that's yours. Mine's way the heck out there still. This is a two-hander, folks. My gosh.
He's probably pushing 12.
Get back in there and
Pitch him out there.
grow and clean up. Well, folks, you really need to come and try this. This is some kind of fishing that you can't get anywhere else. Oh.
Good fish. That's about 14-pound fish there. Now come on down here to him.
And folks, these things fight like you would not believe. It's like having a monster bass on steroids or something. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's get him back in the water. He needs to bear. Whoa.
You want this fish?
That's a nice fish. Well, we've been really enjoyed coming down here and being able to fish with you.
I'm glad you guys could make it. Pleasure to have you.
It's been a ball. These fish fight hard.
You tell me.
Now, can you tell us again how somebody, if they wanted to come down, could come fishing with you?
Yes, sir. If they want, they can go on my website at www.osceola.outback.com. Spelled just like the turkey, Osceola.
Okay.
And or they can give us a call on our cell phone at 407-908-3216.
All right.
And they can get in touch with us. We only do one trip a day. So if they want to come out and come fish, they need to call and we'll book a day for them.
That sounds great.
Everything's provided.
All righty. Well, folks, let's get back to the turkey action down here in Florida and we'll go see if we can round up another bird for y'all.
Well, we're back out here. Got a belly full of food, a little bit of relaxation. We're just coming in the gate. Two nice longbeards underneath oak tree. We're gonna try to slip up on them. See if we can't show you a little mojo slip up today. I think the one on the left is the better bird, but they're both really nice birds, so. Boy, look at their heads. Craig, ain't that cool? You'll probably have a choice of one side of the log or not, I don't know. Just hold up, don't shoot yet. Let them come to the right, that's okay. They're coming. The stump. Get ready. Now they're both together, so don't shoot both of them. Go ahead whenever you're ready. And they're coming to the right, but they're gonna be close on us now. As soon as he puts his head out there, you whack him. Don't move, don't move. Hey, turn around and lean over to your right. Look at this. 3 big toms right there, too. 4 big toms.
Where'd they come from?
From back there. Good job, buddy. What'd you think of that, huh?
Oh, I was just hoping I could get on him.
Good job, man. See, that was worth it, wasn't it? Wait until the afternoon. That was awesome. That was good. I love to watch their heads get fired up like that. I'm gonna lay down. Ain't a finer feeling, is it? Hey, you got your slam done, don't you? Was that your slam?
That's my slam right there.
Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. That's the best part about this job. I get to complete slams with them guys. That's great. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Oh, man, can we go look at him?
Let's go look at him right now. Come on, let's go. That was neat. That was neat. There's no other feeling, buddy. I've called a gazillion of them up for different guys, and it never, I know that sounds cliche, but it never, ever gets old. All right, let's get to the truck. We'll go to camp, get us a nice cold drink, relax the rest of the day, huh?